Okay, today we're going to do a demonstration of some molding and casting. We're going to do two different types of materials. The first one is going to be a silicone, and the silicone is going to make the negative mold of your object. The second one is going to be a urethane, and that's going to make the positive of your object. So we're going to start by making the silicone. Silicone is a two-part mixture, and in order to make the negative of your mold, you're going to need a positive of your object. Depending on the semester in which you've taken this class, you might have a 3D printed half. And you can see this is the 3D printed half that has some pegs here and some holes. Or you might have a CNC machined half. This is a negative structure that has a couple holes here and it has a pour spout here. Or you might have something with a little thinner of a base that's also 3D printed. If you have a 3D printed half with no walls, you're going to need to build walls, and you can do a box of indeterminate size. So a box of indeterminate size is a technique when you want to build a box around something and you don't want to measure the sides precisely. And so by taking 4 sides that are longer than the side of the object, and we've used cardboard, but you could use foam core, you lay the corner against one corner, and you can see that it overlaps here. And then I'm going to take the corner of another one and match it. And so you can see that it overlaps here a little bit. I'm going to do that with 4 sides. And what I'm left with is this cup structure. But also you can see that all the sides overlap. And then I'm going to use hot glue to glue all this together. Now hot glue costs almost nothing, and so it doesn't matter how much hot glue I use. What does matter is that it's air and water tight. Now, please don't put water on your structure because it'll take forever to dry. You can, when in doubt, use more hot glue. Okay. So after you've built your box of indeterminate size and you've glued it, or you have your CNC machine that already has walls around it, you're ready to pour. Let's stop the video here and then we'll talk about mixing.